Good morning, all. Good morning. Okay.
Good morning.
Anuj, what is the formula of circle, area of a circle, Anuj? Area of a circle is equal to
Pi r square.
pi r square. Gauri, area of formula for area of a sector.
Theta by 360 into pi r square.
Theta by 360 into pi r square. Fisan, length of segment of a sector.
And theta by 360 by pi.
Theta by 360 by
Theta by 360 by pi. By 360 by pi r.
theta by 360 by. Then what is that by? Theta by 360. Then again by. I'm going to complete this chapter by 1 or 2 questions. Still, we have
Yes,
only
ma'am.
studied 2 formulae here in this chapter. Now also confusion. Angelo,
Theta by 360 into pi r square.
2 pi r square. Rohan,
Yes, ma'am. Which?
segment, length of segment.
360 by pi r square.
Rachel Boben, Rachel, all of you write that for both the formula, length of square, length of the segment of a sector and area of the sector in your book without looking. Write once, all of you. Area of a sector and length of the segment. Area of a sector and length of a segment. All of you write both the formulae in your book without looking. Over. Now you correct. Look at your book and correct both the formulae. Okay, okay. Okay, Bob, Rachel. Okay, Rachel. Okay, and see children, if anyone make mistake, those please send your name. Only those make mistakes. Send your name through chat.
My voice is breaking.
If anyone make mistake on this 2 formulae, send your name through WhatsApp. To this chat, not WhatsApp. Type your name if anyone make mistake on these 2 formulae.
My voice is breaking. My voice is breaking.
Others, my voice is breaking? Maybe your network issue is there.
Oh, ma'am, range is red. Your range is red. Red.
All are make it correctly. All wrote correctly. When I ask, you don't know what is the formula. And now all of you made it correctly, isn't it? Okay, I have no problem. If I ask the question, everyone has mistakes, isn't it? Children, if you want to study, what was the last question? Anybody read?
A square of ABC is
Square OABC, that we completed.
No, ma'am.
Voice is breaking.
Ma'am, 13.
13. Did
Ma'am,
we
can I,
did
ma'am,
we start?
can I rejoin?
Yes.
No.
Children, did we completed this 13 or just write the question?
Write the question.
Okay. All of you read the question. Square OABC is inscribed in a quadrant OPBQ. A square is inscribed in a quadrant. Square is inscribed in a quadrant OPBQ. Quadrant OPBQ. 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 And given that OA is 20 centimeter. OA 20 centimeter. Find the area of the shaded region. Elsa, how can we find area of the shaded region? Elsa.
Ma'am, area of quadrant
Mm.
triangle.
Area of
Quadrant minus
area of quadrant minus area of the square. Okay, so write area of the shaded region is equal to area of square. Area of the square. That is area of quadrant. Elsa, area of quadrant formula.
Ma'am,
Elsa.
area of quadrant is equal to 1 by 4 pi r square.
Louder, I can't hear you. Louder, Elsa.
1 by 4 pi r square.
1 by 4 pi r square. 1 by 4 pi r square minus area of square, Elsa.
Ma'am,
Side into side, a square. Here, OA equal to 20. So, radius, how we will find the radius? Elsa, any idea? How can we find radius? Radius means this length. OQ, OB, OP, all are radius. OQ, OB, or OP, all these are radius. Can we find radius? Radius is not given in the question.
Ma'am,
Okay.
20 divided by 2.
Huh?
20 divided by 2.
How can we find? That's my question. How can we find radius? Elsa?
Ma'am, 20 divided by 2.
20?
Divided by 2.
20 divided by 2. 20, what is 20? 20 is this length OA. Look at the figure. OA is 20. Radius is OP. So how 20 divided by 2? Radius. Radius is OP. So this is the sector, no? So this is the sector. This way circle will go. So OP is the radius. OP is the radius. OA 20. Then OP how? How can we find OP? OP or OB or OQ, all are radius. That's why I wrote OP, OQ, OB, all are radii. How we will find this? Any length. If you get either OQ or OB or OP, we will get radius. How can we find radius? Anyone?
Ma'am, we can do the question.
Pythagoras, where we apply
Same triangle O
join OB, join OB. Now this is a
BA and BC.
right triangle. Join, all of you join OB. Join OB. Then In triangle OAB, say right triangle. Triangle OAB, say right triangle. Triangle OAB is a right triangle. So from there we can write OB square equal to Pythagoras theorem. OB square equal to OA square plus AB square. OA is 20. So 20 square. AB, what's the length of AB? Elsa, what is the length of AB?
20.
20 because it is a square. 20 square. So OB square equal to 2 into 20 square. OB equal to root of this. That is 20 root 2. 20 root 2 centimeter. So R is 20 root 2. R equal to 20 root 2. Now required area or area of the shaded region equal to area of the shaded region equal to substitute 1 by 4, 20 into 22 by 7 into R square, 20 root 2 into 20 root 2, 20 root 2 into 20 root 2 minus 20 into 20. In the question it is given that use 3.14. So you may use that. 3.14. 3.14. So 1 by 4 into 3.14 into 20 root 2 into 20 root 2 pi r square minus a square 20 into 20. Calculate. $20 and $20 we can take outside common. No. So 20 into 20 remaining 1 by 4 into 3.14 root 2 into root 2 is 2 minus 1. That is 400 into here 2 again 1.57. (1.57) minus 1. You can find out in your way also. Okay. So 0.57 equal to 400 into 0.57. 0.57 into 4 is 228 centimeters square. Find out the answers by calculations. Do the calculations by yourself. Okay. Because no, for MCQ questions only this 28 will be there in your options. So you have to be very fast on doing such calculations. Okay, children. And leaders, I didn't get any message from you. Why, Eva? Next question. Is it over, all of you? Question number 14. This 13, 14, 15 is repeatedly asking question. Not any one of these questions. 12, from 12 onwards. 12, 13, 14,
Your
15.
voice is breaking.
Questions 12, 13, 14, 15 is repeatedly asking question. Mark these questions. Okay, now question number 14. A, B and C, D. A, B and C, D are respectively arcs of two concentric circles of radii 21 centimeter and 7 centimeter and center O. Angle AOB 30 degree. Find area of shaded region. Write the question. Figure I will show you.
So sometimes your voice is breaking. I don't know that.
I don't know, Fisan, why it's so.
But your network is okay. But your voice is breaking. Here it is Wi-Fi.
You write this question, 14th one. Draw this figure 12.32.
You was explaining now that same voice was breaking. I didn't understand some.
Maybe your problem here, others can hear, Fisan.
Ma'am, can you put a voice message that explaining?
Okay. We have two sectors, OAB and OCD. The shaded region is, how we will find the shaded region? Devasena. Area of shaded region will be, how can we find? Devasena.
Concentric circles means concentric circle.
Concentric, same center.
Ah.
Same center. Here the center is so, only one center for both. Ebin, how we will find the area of the shaded region? Ebin.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
ma'am, area of triangle.
Triangular.
Right.
Where is the triangle? Is there any triangle here? Area, what is that? Is that a triangle?
Ma'am, area of area of sector minus area of
Area of sector minus? Area of sector minus?
area of
Area of?
sector COD.
COD. So from where you are subtracting? COD, okay. So from area of sector, which sector?
Area of sector AOB minus area of sector COD.
Yes, the required areas, area of sector AOB minus area of sector COD. That is a shaded region, area of the shaded region. Okay, so right, area of the shaded region equal to equal to area of sector OAB minus area of sector OCD. Now, about theta is what? Abin, here what is the theta? Central angle theta equal to Abin?
30.
30 degree. And radius of OAB is what? Sector OAB is what?
21 centimeters.
21 centimeter. And OCD?
7 centimeters.
7 centimeters. Substitute. Everything is given. Substitute and find out. So that is equal to 30 by 360 into 5r square. 22 by 7 into r is 21 minus 30 by 360 calculate. Find out the value. What was the answer? This is equal to $154. Type your answers if you get. Alna, it's not 154. You check your answer, Alna. Is it 154?
Ma'am,
Uh,
can I drink water? Can I?
huh?
Can I drink water?
What?
Can I drink water?
Okay, sure. Drink. Keep a bottle with you always. Okay. Children, type your answers. Elsa, your answer is not correct. You please check your answer. Elsa and Alna. Anyway, you check. Delvin and Shania, you are correct. Raya, correct. Gauri, yours is not correct. One sec. 3. Okay, okay. You can simplify. Gauri, okay, correct. You got 2. No, Gauri, there is a mistake. Its decimal will be 101 will be. No, Gauri, please check. Yours is wrong. No, Kshetra, it's wrong. Others, all of you do and type your
1 minute,
answers.
okay.
Imran, okay. You have to find one more, at least one decimal place, Imran. It's not exactly 102. Find one more decimal. Okay. It is 102.66666. It will go, isn't it? Isn't it, Delvin?
Ma'am,
Ah.
30 by 360. You need to multiply 30 by 360.
No,
Only 20
no,
by 32.
maximum simplify first. You simplify the maximum. Then only multiply. Okay. So you can simplify. Maximum 7 is there.
Okay.
You can simplify. Then, okay. That you can complete. Right. Next question. Question number 15. Centimeter square. So that one 102.66 centimeter square. Write the unit also. Centimeter square. Now write question number 15. Draw the figure rules. Okay, Elsa, you're correct. Yeah. Correct. ABC is a quadrant of a circle. ABC here. ABC is a quadrant of a circle. This is a quadrant. First we have a quadrant. Then what? Radius given. Okay, so radius is given 14. And semicircle is drawn with BC as diameter. BC as diameter, a semicircle is drawn. Find the area of the shaded region. Okay, so think how we will find. We have a sector and a semicircle. We have a sector and a semicircle. How can we find area of the shaded region? Can I start? All of you copied question? Melita, how we will find the required area? Melita, can you hear me?
Ma'am, I cannot see the screen.
Others, can you see the screen?
Ma'am,
Children, can you see
That's why
the
net is low.
screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Melita, can you hear me? Melita. Kshetra, can you hear me? Melita and Kshetra, can you hear me?
Ma'am, we can hear you.
Okay, just thank you at least. One responded. Minha, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Minha, how can we find the area of the required region, Minha?
Area of semicircle minus
Minus?
area of quadrant
And
minus area of triangle.
area of the triangle. That is area of semicircle minus area of this segment. Okay. Let the point P and Q, mark this 2 as point P and Q. So shaded region is equal to area of shaded region. Area of shaded region equal to area of semicircle minus area of segment. Semicircle, we will mention the name. Semicircle BQC. This BQC minus area of segment BPC. And area of segment, how we will find? It is area of sector minus area of the triangle. Okay, so this is equal to again area of semicircle. Semicircle is half pi r square. So we will write half pi r square minus of area of segment is area of sector minus area of sector A B P C minus area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC. Okay. Now, what is given? Given is only radius of the sector is given. Radius of the sector only given. Radius of sector equal to 14 centimeter. So how we will find radius of the semicircle? Shania, radius of the semicircle sector. Shania. Pythagoras theorem. Radius of semicircle is this is 10, this is 10. So we will find BC, that is the diameter. Okay. So first we will find the diameter. Before that we will find diameter of semicircle equal to BC square equal to AC square plus AB square. This is 14, no? How much it is? 14, okay. So 14 square plus this is 14. So that is equal to 14 square plus 14 square, 2 into 14 square. So BC equal to 14 root 2. BC equal to 14 root 2. BC equal to 14 root 2. So radius of the semicircle is what? Radius of the semicircle is? Radius of the semicircle is then 7 root 2. 7 root 2. 14 root 2 by 2 is 7 root 2 centimeter. So that we got. Then radius of the semicircle we know. So we can find area of the say half pi r square we can find. Area of the sector also, radius of the sector 14. Okay, that also we can find. Now triangles. This triangle is right triangle. Since it is a quadrant, no, so it is right triangle. So everything is okay. Theta 90 degree. Now substitute and find out. So required area is area equal to half pi r square. Half into, did they mention about pi? No, but 22 by 7. 22 by 7 into r. Radius of the semicircle is 7 root 2 into 7 root 2 minus of sector, area of the sector 1 by 4. It is quadrant, so 1 by 4. 22 by 7. Sector's radius is 14. 14 into 14 minus area of the triangle half BH. Half into 14 into 14. If you want, you can write one more step. Writing half, this is the formula, half pi r square minus 1 by 4 pi r square minus half BH. Here, these two r's are different. One is radius of the semicircle, other one is radius of the sector. One is 7 root 2, other one is 14. Find out the value.